Ubufakazi bokuthi kuyingozi kangakanani ukufuya umuntu okufika kulelizwe. uMalema phela kuyena wakulelizwe. Inzalo yakhe, imvelaphi yakhe akuyona yakulelizwe. uMalema uzwazi ukukhulela kulelizwe ekubeni abazali bakhe kungabona bakulelizwe. Lokhu nje akukhulumayo uMalema kubufakazi bokuthi kuyingozi kangakanani ukufuya ingane yomuntu okufika kulelizwe. Ngoba lento ayikhulumayo uyikhulunyiswa ukuthi yena ucabangela imvelaphi yakhe, akacabangeli lelizwe. Akekho umholi ofuna amavoti ase South Africa ongakhathazekile ngodaba labantu bokufika. Lezi ingane zabantu ezigcwele lapha ko Hillbrow, ezigcwele lapha ko Uville, ezigcwele khona la ko Bramfish, eziphelayo ngama drugs. Uthini ngazi ko Alexander, hambe Alex uyobuka ingane zabantu ukuthi zinjani. Ingane zamadoda akana ndaba nalokho. Unendaba nomuntu waseZimbabwe, unendaba nomuntu waseNigeria, akana ndaba nomuntu wase South Africa. So mina kungethusi, ngiyaqala ukubuzwa kodwa kungethusi ke uma kuvela kuMalema, ngoba uMalema ngiyazi ukuthi enye izinto eziyinkinga empilweni yakhe ukuthi ubaba akazabe naye. So into yokubaluleka kwezwe akakwazi. Uwazi ukubaluleka kwezwe ngokweyingxoxo zepolitiki nezinto ezikhulunywa ngokwepolitiki. Ukube abantu abasebenza ipolitiki izwe balithanda ngempela, ngabe izwe kade lalungu, ngabe kade umhlaba wabuyela kubantu. Lokhu ukuthi balithanda izwe nokuthi balwelizwe kusemlonyeni ku akukho ezenzweni. Thina sikwazile ngeminyaka emibili sikwazile ukuthi sihambise abantu abaningi abedlula abantu abahanjiswa uHome Affairs nabantu ababoshwayo ngeminyaka emibili. So kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi thina singabantu phaka singenayo ngisho ibudget sikwazi ukwenza into enkulu kangaka? So mina ngiyamxolela loyo ngoba vele uye ejele ngoDisemba, manje vele ufuna ukuhamba nami, ufuna ukuhlala nami ejele kushuthi ke ufuna acele kupresident amzameke angibophele ukuthi ke ngiyohlala naye lapha sixoxe ukuthi awu nkokheli sekunjalo, uyabo. Akungethusi lokho ngoba vele umuntu ngisho ukuthi uyamlalela, uyambotha umuntu osegive upile. Uthi uyabenyanya belungu ukuthi ingane zakhe ifunda nabelungu. Uthi uyabanyanya belungu ufuna ukuthatha umhlaba kodwa yena uhlala endlini yomlungu. Uthi uyabenyanya belungu uthi akuvulwa amabhodo kodwa ubiye ngodonga wena ongakwazi ukubona ngaphakathi kulona. Akuyona ni contradiction le. Uthi abantu aba-own ama-industries kodwa abalandeli be-EFF abanalutho naba sinabo la eBramfish njengamanje. Bayahlupheka, bahlushwa ngamakutshukutshu, basatshiswa ngamakutshukutshu. Yena uthi aba-own ama-industries. Uwa-owna kuphi la ama-industries yena ngoba uye yedwa owakwazi ukuyithathela imali lapha ayeyithatha khona. So akusethusi thina lokho, sicela ukuthi siqhubeke nomsebenzi. Uma lufika lolo suku ama-South Africans ayodecide ukuthi enza njani. Mina nje mhla kuthi kuboshwa mina ilapho engiyobona khona ama-South Africans yini imele ngoba akukho lapho engingaphula khona umthetho.
On 613.
The first question, which is the question you asked.
Oh, okay.
Question 13 on migration.
Thank you very much, Speaker and Mr. President. The level of violence perpetrated against African foreign nationals in this country over the past few months has a face. We know who the instigators and the perpetrators of this violent act are. In certain instances, we have seen perpetrators unleashing their violence against African immigrants in the presence of the police, and yet no one of these perpetrators and instigators is arrested. This gives an impression that this violence is in fact a state-sanctioned violence against African nationals. This hardens the attitudes of our sisters nations in the continent, because to them and to many of us, these are not isolated actions of vigilante groups, but rather actions aided by the state. Why have the perpetrators of this violence not been arrested and prosecuted? What is even worse, the two of them came to meet with you. You should have locked them up that day when they came to meet you. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Malema. Honorable President.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Thank you for that question, Honorable Malema. The issue of the instigators of this violent actions that have been taken against people from other countries is a matter that is being processed. The police have informed us, and all security apparatus have informed us that they are following all that up. They are getting all the reports and evidence. A number of other people have been arrested, and of course, those others who were seen to be leading these processes are also people who are of interest, of direct interest to the police, and that is a process that is going to be followed up. We are obviously concerned about the actions that have been taken against many Africans in our country, and we have made it clear that those who violate the law, those who transgress the various precepts of our laws, need to be dealt with. And in a number of cases where, for instance, incidents of violence have even resulted into injury, into death, we are going to be following all that up and ensuring indeed that those who have perpetrated those acts are followed up, and there will be arrests, and there will be charges that will be preferred against those who have done so. So that is a process which the police, the prosecuting authority, is going to be following up, without any doubt. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Imalusi TV kulethela izindaba ezisematheni, ungakhohlwa ukusilandela kuzo zonke inkundla zokuxhumana.